Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Mr. Know It All. Tonight we're going to cover a coin called Safe Insurance, and what they're doing is a decentralized marketplace for insurance, I believe, is what they're trying to build here. And so what that's going to do is obviously help, they're bringing a decentralized insurance marketplace. Anyways guys, you can read the white paper. I read a little bit of it. I think it sounds pretty interesting. I don't think there's really many projects like this that are around right now, aside from Graviex, which is building a decentralized white label exchange. So it's kind of more specific about the exchange itself. I think with this, what they're trying to do here is build a marketplace where people can buy insurance coverage through a said insurance company that's being bought or sold on their exchange. So that kind of gets a good use case for them. I would say that's going to be something effective in the long run. So that's going to get the check mark for use case. Let's check out their Bitcoin talk thread. Looks like they are a newbie member, but they have 21 pages of activity. So here you go. Decentralized insurance for the blockchain era. Safe Insure is decentralized insurance marketplace bringing equitable price discovery and global access to insurance policy shoppers worldwide. That's amazing, actually. What they're doing is letting the people that can't get coverage right now maybe have access to other types of coverage worldwide. So that's cool. Looks like they're starting out with around an 80% block reward to the Masternode, progressing to around a 90% block reward, with the rewards increase over time here, it looks like. And then leads up to like 9 coins per block reward, and then kind of just stays at the 5 level at the end there. Exchange-wise, they're on Crex24. If you watched my previous video, we're going to give that exchange kind of the benefit of the doubt. Looks like they're doing some decent volume for some of these coins. So that's good. So 46,440 daily volume today. That's pretty good. There's only 8 Masternodes, guys. This is definitely a good time to get on something early. I know that $5 grand is a lot of money to risk. However, make sure you guys understand that this is not financial advice, but I will say that if you will get into a Masternode, that getting in early is probably the best thing you can do, as you will receive probably the highest ROI possible in the beginning. So keep that in mind. 100% ROI, which sounds like a great return, which is roughly around 71 coins a day, and on average around $380 a day. So really high ROI right now. Don't think that will last down in the future as more nodes come online. Bitcoin talk we covered. Discord, let's check their Discord out. Here we go. Looks like they just got launched on Live Coin Watch. Gentarian partnership, Escadex partnership. Okay, so it sounds like they're pretty active here. They got around 300 people online active in their Discord. So that sounds promising. We'll get the check mark for that. So they get the check mark so far for having a use case. Looks like they have a team from what I saw. The volume that they're getting is pretty good. Check out their block explorer here. Roughly almost 14% on the top 25 wallets, so that seems reasonable. Yeah, overall looking pretty good, guys. I would say that this could be something worth looking into. Even maybe just staking it if you can't afford to buy a Masternode. You'll get around, I think, 20% of the block reward right now, and then it'll decrease to 10%. Let's see what else they got here on their roadmap. Anything worth reviewing here? Let's see. Here's the roadmap. All right, so we're in Q4. Basically, what they should be doing is connecting with business partners, website updates and improvements. More. Okay, so they have it down to like specific things they want to cover in the roadmap, which is good. Listen, guys, it's tough to set roadmap goals and to actually follow through with them. You know, it looks like they have a 4-man team probably, and like they're probably sourcing out some of the other smaller stuff for their coin. So, but yeah, this looks great. They have a fully exposed team here. And yeah, as you can see there, it looks like they're hiring. Sounds like they're onto something, guys. And make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel, and check out all my future posts or Facebook. If you haven't, joined my Facebook, make sure you guys do that. And also join my Discord. I'm always around there. You can ask other people questions, or you can ask me questions about coins, or how to do a Masternode setup, or what else to look for. Guys, I'm always open to hearing your guys' feedback as well on my videos. I know I'm not perfect and I don't cover everything. I just try to give you guys kind of my gist of what's going on here, to try to sift through the nonsense coins. I believe that this coin doesn't look like a nonsense coin. It seems like this coin is going to do something that most other coins will not. Again, guys, this is not financial advice. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'm going to rate this coin a 9 out of 10. They have very low coin inflation. The only thing on my checklist that they actually didn't meet was the Bitcoin talk. They have a newbie post. However, I think that's kind of irrelevant with all the other information that kind of helps propel that credibility higher with an exposed team with actual LinkedIn pages that work and somebody that's been in the space for a little bit. All right, guys, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.